Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and shapes. First we use black color. The next one is blue color. Now we use yellow color. The next one is red color. Kids, now we use green color. And the last one is light green color. Now we start draw and coloring. First we use black color and draw the letter of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw D and use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw the letter of D. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. We again use blue color. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2, T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3, the number of 3. Yellow color. Now we use yellow color and draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. The next one is shapes. Now we draw 2D shapes. First we use yellow color and draw the shape of square. Now we draw the shape of square. And the next one is circle. Now we draw circle. Red color. Now we draw the shape of circle and the next one is triangle. Green color. Now we use green color and draw the shape of triangle. The next one is heart. Now we draw the shape of heart. Now we use light green color, the shape of heart. kids. The next one is star. Now we use black color and draw star. Today we draw the shape of star, heart, triangle, circle and square. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.